Well, hello there, YouTubers. I'm at a house right here that has termite damage, and I'm inside tearing out some wood. It's a house over here in New Orleans, Algiers they call it. Real nice house, and termites got in it, and trying to figure out where they're coming in. But I'll show you the damage here. See where it's chewed up right there. Took that crown off that. Looks like it's this corner. Up how far it goes back, I don't know. See out there. The door frame. So what I'm going to do is change out this pull this key out right there. Let's get back. This is in the pantry, the kitchen. This house is also a spot right over there. They're coming through that crown there, the top plate is, I think, there and there. I'll show you another spot. Pretty bad. This is in here. This is under the stairs, and they ate this. They ate the floor and the plywood up. That's concrete slab. That's the bathtub in there. I believe they come up through that hole from the bathtub. Anyway, we know we gotta change this floor. Now, what they did behind that baseboard and up these studs, I don't know. It's a little bitty closet. It's under the stairs. So that there is keep the smell down or whatever. So the lady put that under the stairs. They smell pretty good. And then let's just show you upstairs here. I got it. Where is it? I was here yesterday and found it live in here. You see right there, them holes coming up that hardwood floor. Now this is right above the pantry where I was working. And that's the bathroom right there, but there's no leaks. And then this is the bedroom, so this is where we're at right here. That's the only spot I see, but that means this floor's got to come up. So, you got another repair. Where the guy had stepped through the ceiling right there. Homeowner wants me to fix that. So I'm going to fix that. See, it's the bedroom here. So we got a patch we got to fix. But that's no biggie right now because we got luck. We got it where water had come down. Now what the deal is there is the air conditioning unit right above here. The pan overflowed at one time. He said about a year ago. So But I don't see any termite damage in here. But the termites have got to have water. And that's how they make their trails. From the water, they eat, and come back up. Now I've worked on termite damage a lot of times. Now I know that they like to eat them headers above the doors. They'll come up a stud, and then they'll get on a flat surface. They don't like the dirt coming down in there. If they're going up, the dirt seems to fall right back in their holes. Well, I think. And then they'll get on something long, and they'll go across. They'll go across, and they'll go across because the dirt won't fall back in their holes. So that's where I'm at. I'm gonna go ahead and try to see. You know, you can't estimate jobs like this. All you can do is open it up and see what you got and see where you can go. You know. So. All right. Where we're at again. All right. Check back. Dad's ate up good, boy. Okay, now we're in the top of that pantry. This is that corner. Now I just went ahead and tore all the sheetrock off this wall. So, like I said, this top plate right here. Shoot it up, comes all the way across here, then we get to where the nest is at. They're not live. They're not live, but they have been there. Okay. So we're gonna keep going.
I bet you're behind that wall.
I don't know, but I'm thinking maybe that's where they come in, right here. This is concrete slab right here. That's concrete, so I don't know. You know, it's down here at the bottom. Could be. I don't know. Well, this is that corner of the pantry. These are 10-foot studs. I mean, it looks like it's major high, but it's I mean, in this video to me, it's 10 footers. I don't know, but I'm thinking that the termites started right there. They're down here on the bottom. I don't know. Seems like maybe they come in from under the house. Somehow under the house and got in here.
Is there any way you can get into this house?
No? Who's that? Oh, God, it's Michael. It's Mikey. Mikey, you gonna do the dance for us? No, but it's on a slab, bro. It's the whole house on a slab. It's a big, thick concrete. You see how right there? They come up and just kind of walked up that corner right there. Walked up that corner, made them a little nest right there. And then went right on across here to this top plate. Come back down this leg right here to this door frame. Watch this. So that's what they did. Because none of that's chewed up.
Never took it up.
But that top plate back into there, I'm taking on out. Oh, across there. They ate this stud that was right. It was right here. But anyway, that's where we're at. Okay, now we're cleaning up the mess in here. That's where I'm at. I got it all tore out. Just pull that top header up. These two studs are pretty good. They're not chewed up at all. So we're going to stab that new top plate right out. Pull that. And I think that corner is good enough to survive. It's not, they don't. The shoes on a little bit enough to destroy it. Anyway, we come through there. Check this out. On the other side of the wall here. See this one right across there, eating that up. Across there. They're eating on that wall, I guess. I'm not sure. Man, they just... Yeah, he just ate the carpet tack up. Having a good old time. Eating the carpet tack up. Come over here. That's where I left the razor blade in there. I don't know, man. So. Let's see. Okay, now this here is the upstairs floor I was showing you earlier. This, if you look real close, you can see them crawling. Seconds. The thing is, that right there is the main double beam. It's the main double beam right here. It's holding this floor up. It's going all the way from wall to wall, that double beam. Right there. It keeps on going down that wall. Yeah. So now, anyway, I wonder how bad it is. We've got a termite man coming this afternoon to spray it all. I'm gonna open it up some more. Yeah, we had to throw that away. Alright. Now what I see, you're down inside here, the termites on inside this beam. And they eat this double laminated. See, that's a triple laminated beam. Triple laminated beam. And they're in there. So I'm worried about how far did they keep on going. This is like a piece of dead wood they nailed on the side of here. This one. Yeah, you see, there's one down there with wings on him. You see him with wings? Yeah. I don't think he's all that bad, though. You know what I'm saying? I think they eating on this beam, but I still think it's structurally sound. See, it's sitting on that wall. There's the wall right here. There's the wall right there. There's the beam where these wires are going in. All right. I don't think we need to open up any further. We need to spray it all down. Kill them for sure and put it back together. All right. Oh, you decided to use that real hammer, I see. Yeah. They does Mickey Mouse hammer.
Hey, we take this Mickey Mouse phone.
They take those. They have those. When I went to Disney World, they gave those away as souvenirs. You can get those in the souvenir shop. Yeah. Next time you see the ice cream man come by, ask him to take this thing. He probably won't even want it. Okay. Talk with you later. Bye.